That's what we are talking about. Look at that picture. It speaks 1,000 words. Modi 3.0 and all the elements of the NDA. You can see the north, south, east, west, all the leaders there giving their support to the man of the moment in a green jacket, Narendra Modi. The NDA parliamentary meeting was held today at the Central Hall of the Parliament, in which Narendra Modi was unanimously elected as leader of the NDA Parliamentary Committee, even as his name was proposed and then supported by all as the next Prime Minister. It became evident when Narendra Modi was welcomed into the Central Hall by the newly elected NDA MPs amid chants of Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
आप लोगों ने मुझ पर जो विश्वास जताया है, जो प्यार दिखाया है और जो समर्थन दिया है, वाकई मैं मानता हूं भारत के लोकतंत्र की एक बहुत बड़ी ताकत है। मैं जितना आपका आभार व्यक्त करूं उतना कम, और मैं विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि मैं आपकी आशा अपेक्षाओं को पूरी करने में, परिश्रम करने में कोई कमी नहीं रखूंगा। मेरे लिए जन्म सिर्फ और सिर्फ वन लाइफ वन मिशन, और वो है मेरी भारत माता। 140 करोड़ देशवासियों के सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए खप जाना, ये मिशन है। 140 करोड़ देशवासियों को हजार साल की मुसीबतों से जो गुजरी हुई पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी है, उसे मुक्ति दिला करके सम्मान के साथ विश्व में मेरा हर देशवासी दुनिया उसे देखे तो उसका मन कर जाए, काश ये हिंदुस्तान का है, अरे नजर मिल जाए तो अच्छा होगा। ये मैं स्थिति पैदा करना है। उसका मन लालायित होना चाहिए, हिंदुस्तानी है, अरे यार जरा हाथ मिला लूं, कुछ एनर्जी मुझे भी आ जाए। मैं देश को इस ऊंचाई पे ले जाना चाहता हूं।
Come Sunday, that is 9th of June, and Narendra Modi is all set to take oath as Prime Minister of India for the third consecutive time. While addressing the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting, Modi said that he shall leave no stone unturned to fulfill the expectations of the people of India. You just heard him say that. He also said that his life was dedicated to the welfare of the nation. You heard him say that. Addressing all the alliance partners and the newly elected lawmakers, Modi made a special mention about the BJP's poll performance in the south of India. In the recently concluded Lok Sabha elections, he said that NDA had succeeded in setting up a very strong base in the south of India. He also hit out at the Congress party and said that although the Congress had recently formed governments in both Karnataka and Telangana, but somewhere people's trust was broken and therefore they embraced NDA in both the states. Listen in.
दक्षिण भारत में एनडीए ने एक नई राजनीति की नींव मजबूत की है। अब देखिए कर्नाटका एंड तेलंगाना, अभी अभी तो इनकी सरकारें बनी थी, लेकिन पल भर में ही लोगों का विश्वास टूट गया, भ्रम से लोग बाहर आ गए और एनडीए को गले लगा दिया। कर्नाटक और तेलंगाना में दोनों जगह साथियों, तमिलनाडु, मैं तमिलनाडु की टीम को भी बधाई देना चाहूंगा, और वहां हमारा एनडीए समूह बहुत बड़ा भी है, और कईयों को पता था कि हम एक साथ एक सीट नहीं लड़ा पाएंगे, लेकिन इस लड़ाई में हम साथ रहेंगे। और मैंने बहुत से एनडीए के साथी तमिलनाडु में ऐसे हैं कि जिनका कोई उम्मीदवार नहीं था, लेकिन इस झंडे को ऊंचा रखने के लिए वो जी जान से जुटे थे। और इसलिए आज तमिलनाडु में भले हम सीट नहीं जीत पाए, लेकिन जिस तेजी से एनडीए का वोट शेयर बढ़ा है, वो साफ साफ संदेश दे रहा है कल में क्या लिखा हुआ है। साथियों, पुडुचेरी हो, केरला हमारे सैकड़ों कार्यकर्ताओं के बलिदान हुए हैं। यूडीएफ हो या एलडीएफ हो, शायद हिंदुस्तान के राजनीतिक जीवन में इतना जुल्म एक विचारधारा को लेकर के जीने वाले लोगों पर हुआ होगा तो सिर्फ मैं कह सकता हूं केरल में हुआ है। जम्मू कश्मीर से भी ज्यादा हुआ है।
Of course, we all know that the Telugu Desam party is going to play a very crucial role in Modi 3.0, as BJP was, of course, unable to cross the 272 majority or magic mark. TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu, whose party managed to win 16 seats in the Lok Sabha polls, was all praises for Narendra Modi at the parliamentary meet. Naidu said that Modi was relentless during campaigning and worked day and night.
For the 3 months, Honorable PM never took any rest. Day and night, he had campaigned, same zeal. He started and ended same spirit. In Andhra Pradesh, we had 3 meetings, public meetings, 1 big rally. It had made a huge difference for winning the elections in Andhra Pradesh.
And of course, Chandrababu Naidu's alliance partner, the Janasena party chief, the actor turned politician Pawan Kalyan also took stage and lauded Narendra Modi's leadership in his speech. Pawan, who won the Pitapuram assembly seat, also recalled about TDP President N. Chandrababu Naidu's endorsement of Modi's leadership back in 2014, wishing for his rule to continue for 15 long years. This time around, Janasena, TDP and BJP, of course, fought together in the elections as an alliance.
Chandrababu Naidu just said, we're going to see Modi ji to rule this country for 15 years, and it's happening, sir. Chandrababu ji, your prophecy came true. Modi ji, you truly inspired the nation. As long as you are the Prime Minister of this country, our country will never bow down to anyone, sir. The mighty Himalayas will never bow down like that. Under your leadership, Bharat will never bow down. And we really take pride under your leadership, to work under your leadership, sir. We really take pride. And from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kamakyu to Dwaraka, and you have inspired everyone, sir. You have inspired everyone. We all rally behind you. We all rally behind you.
And you know what? It's not like politicians are always very serious and grim. They can be very funny and easygoing. You know, what you're going to see and hear just now proves just that, mutual admiration between both the leaders. Now, pointing at Pawan Kalyan, who was seated next to the dais, Modi called out, saying, "Pawan nahi, आंधी hai." Listen in.
और ये जो यहाँ दिखता है ना पवन, ये पवन नहीं, आंधी है।